All right, guys. So let's settle down some. We need you to sing this song with us. Listen up, listen up.
God of creation, there at the start, before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, you spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonder of life. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies are born. In the vapor of your breath, the planets form. If the stars were made to worship, so will I can see your heart in everything you made. Every burning star, a signal fire of grace. If creation sings your praises, so will I. So will I. God of your promise, you don't speak in vain, no syllable empty or void. For once you have spoken, all nature and science follow the sound of your voice. And as you speak, 100 billion creatures catch your breath, evolving in pursuit of what you said. If it all reveals your nature, so will I can see your heart in everything you say. Every pain is got a canvas of your grace. If creation still obeys you, so will I. 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 The stars were made to worship, so will I. If the mountains, yeah. If the oceans roar your greatness, so will I. For if everything exists to lift you high, so will I. If the wind goes where you send it, so On a hill you created, the light of the world, abandoned in darkness to die. And as you speak, 100 billion. Woo! Where you lost your life, so thank you, Lord. If you left the grave behind you, so I can see your heart in everything you've done. Every prayer, every sign, and a work of art called love. If you gladly chose to reach your soul, I can see your heart a billion different ways. Every precious one, a child you died to save. You gave your life to love him so like you would give 100 million times. But what never could amount to your love. You're the one who never left the one behind. Like you would again 100 billion times. Oh, what measure could melt. You're the one who never leaves the one behind. Like you would again 100 billion times. But what measure could amount to yours? Desire. You're the one who never leaves the one behind. You're the one who never leaves the one behind. Come on, clap those hands, come on. just the voices, come on. Your promise still stands, say, promise. His promises still stand. We are still here. Oh, oh, ooh, yeah. We are still, we're still in your. Take that home with you. This is our confidence. God, you never failed me. And he never will. And I never